What's up, guys? I got a 05 6.0 here. I'm having a little issue that it doesn't want to start. So when I go into the data stream, a data logger, give me 1 second, and I check sync, main power, IPR, and ICP and IPR, and try to crank it. As you can see, you hear the clattering of the injectors. One of the FICM is running. ICP hits almost 2,000. IPR stays at 50%. We got sync and the FICM main power doesn't drop, but still no start. And I have no idea what's going on. Maybe somebody has had this issue before. Truck was towed in, wasn't driven in. So if you guys know anything, please leave in the comments.